Hi there, Slick Hair Company team. I was checking out your Amazon strategy. Your listing, hairstyling cream, really caught me attention. I would like to also congratulate you on making it to Amazon. I know how difficult it is to navigate Amazon's policy. Seeing this is a job well done. My name is Jen from the Amazon Guy. My goal here is to point out potential opportunities that your team might want to consider. If it's okay with you, I'm going to walk you through them in this quick video, and the main drivers of traffic in Amazon are keywords. So, this is the tool that we're using to analyze your keywords. Looking at your current keywords distribution, you're indexing for 438. You aren't running any ads yet. Well, you can still improve this. Many of the top listings are already indexed to thousands of keywords, especially organic. This gives free exposure to your products. I'd highly recommend scaling this up. Not running ads could be mean that you're most likely leaving money on the table. We run more than 300 PPC accounts, and we find that it's a good idea to run ads and it can be done so profitably. So, to maximize your keyword reach, we typically recommend a healthy golden ratio of 1 is to 2, which means that in every two organic, we aim to have a one paid for better traffic in conversion. There are hundreds and thousands of additional keywords you might want to consider bidding on and indexing for. Down here are keyword phrases, highly searched keywords under your category. Notice here I filtered this through the high search volume. There's a lot of spaces as you're not visible at all for a lot of keywords here since you're not bidding and indexing, and this could be a massive missed opportunity. The more that your product can be seen on the search results, the more chances of increasing your traffic and grow your sales. So if you're ranking here organically for sleek back hair products over 12,000 of searches, hairstyling cream over 4,000, you're on the higher triple digits. And you are missing out a lot of potential sales because you're still buried pages deep. It will take a lot of scrolling before your potential customer can even see your product, not to mention tons of sponsored products on top of it. So we can help with moving up your ranking, ideally into single digit for better organic visibility, and target the right keywords here by optimizing SEO strategy. We can also help you with PPC management if you book a call with us, and I'm going to show you here how big your category is. Just in the top 50 listings on one keyword alone, hairstyling cream brought in almost $8 billion in monthly revenue. Well, looks to me there's a lot of market share that's available for you that you can take advantage of, and your category is huge. We can help you grow your market share by focusing on conversions. Click through rate as part of our SEO strategy. These are the past 30 days of sales and revenue. Let's take a look at this brand here. By the way, I'm not doing any product comparison. I just want to give you an idea how this brand is managing their keywords, and you might want to benefit from it since you're both under the same category. Notice here that they're banking organically, indexing for over 1,000 of keywords. They're running ads as well. They're taking advantage of the easiest way to get seen in Amazon. Definitely, it will boost products' visibility, and it will help your product get in front of more potential customers if you consider running ads for listings. So they work hand in hand to boost traffic and conversion. This could be one reason why this brand have better exposure and have generated over 1,000 unit sales in the past 30 days with over $40,000 in monthly revenue. Your brand have generated 19 unit sales with over $300 in revenue, and there's really a huge gap. Your brand is not capturing as much market share as it could be. Now, what we can help you with, we can run a keyword gap analysis, and we can take top 10 of your competitors, duplicate the keywords that have high search volume where they rank better, incorporate that into your listing. And that way you can have the same exposure as other brands are getting. Now let's go back to your product detail page. Let's see what else we can improve. Looking at your title as well as your bullets, great job here, but you can maximize up to 500 characters each bullet points to increase product indexing because these are additional traffic. For your main image, you need to have a white background to follow with Amazon standards. By the way, we do have different CTR hacks that we can share if you book a call with us. Looking at your secondary images, you have lifestyle and product feature and infographic. You can add demographic as well. A picture of your target customer looking at the camera showing that they're using your product to create a sense of connections to your potential customers. Down here, I can see that you have A plus content utilized, which have added photos and product read. but there's still room for optimization. Taking advantage of different A plus modules, it will not only enhance this brand presentation, but you can share more visually appealing images or even videos to give buyers clarity and confidence, as well as maximizing up to 1,000 words of copy. Each design of drillable text here will help you with doubling down your organic and get more visibility with Amazon's algorithm. Now, as you can see, you have utilized brand story, which is great. You have high quality visuals, but your texts are embedded to your photo. So to boost your SEO, would highly recommend to really utilize scrollable text. You can add clickable links as well to increase average order value. Those are just a few tips here at my Amazon Guide. We are a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. If you found this video helpful, book a call with us, speak directly with one of our experts. We can discuss any of your Amazon needs. Thank you for watching.